Oké dan. In the middle of fucking nowhere. Fucking gans. Oh well. Vita, sit. Yeah. Welcome to this pretty random freaking video, which starts in the middle of freaking nowhere. I have to get used to this shit. Vita. Hey. Meet my new dog. This is Vita, a border collie whelp puppy, if you can say that. He's like 12, 13 weeks old, and I'm gonna give you some context. This channel was a from the start it was a dog training channel. Then I changed it to a travel channel, which is called Workaway Travel Series. So now I've changed it back again to a dog training channel. Yeah, zet thee. Fuck, it is warm. I've changed the channel again to a dog training channel because, as you can see, obviously, Vita, come, come here, sit. If you have a dog or a puppy like me, and you don't have a lot of experience, then it's a good thing to follow me on this channel because I'm gonna teach you and show you everything from small dog to adult dog, what to train the dog, and learn how to train a border collie or whatever kind of puppy you have. Yeah.